Yeah.
It's just the in that segment. Well, they got these chairs just laid out. Now we're entering up the Magnolia Baptist Church, worshiping every Sunday, or I'm sure it was every Sunday. Yeah, I guess the parish or something wants them to tear it down because of that stuff outside.
It's nice that everything is intact. Because other places we've went, it's not as clean.
This is Magnolia Baptist Church. It's abandoned, and all these. It's like I feel like there's light out there. So this is straight down. So okay. Look how old that door is, though. I didn't notice that on the way.
That's what I'm saying. I really do think this was built in 1906.
Look, that's like different wood from like a bunch of different pieces. Look at all the different colors and stuff up there. I don't know why they painted the.
Yeah, they really fooled us with that.
Damn, they got me again. That is the one that's fake.
But some of them actually look real.
No, hold up. No, that window's down there. This one's the real one. Just these two right here are fake. I wonder where they got this stuff. Matched it pretty good.
Yeah, I know, right? I just think it's funny how we were in here earlier and you said, you looked at me and you said someone took a shit in there. I don't even want to look. I'm still scared to look.
You're about to smell it if you walk any further.
Ugh. I wonder which one was the woman's in men's. Oh my god, that looks awful. That's awful.
I know. I was like, when I went in there, the first time when I looked, I was thinking, I was like, ain't no way there's gonna be nothing. And then I got a whiff. As soon as I looked, I was like, oh my gosh, there actually is. Guys, if you gotta go to the bathroom, don't pick abandoned buildings. Like, go to the gas station or something.
Now this is creepy too. Brennan earlier thought this was a machete, so.
Yeah, dude, you could still.
You could fuck someone up with that.
Yeah, they just grab it and they just come around. That would hurt.
Yeah.
You thought I was gonna hit you?
No, I didn't think you'd hit me. I'm Brennan's ride home. He's not gonna hit me.
Yeah, you're right, huh? I'd be screwed if you just leave me at a damn abandoned church. At least I'd be with Jesus, though. I'd be close with Jesus. This is all poison ivy.